Hello guys. A day in my life. A day in my life vlog. Wala pa kasing stand ng ano ko eh. Ng phone ko. So I'm just waiting for it. There you go. That's the outfit for today. Very simple. Things lang. Going lang to church and then stroll. Kasi we're kind of bored here. And I'm so proud kasi I've gained weight. Weight like maybe 5 to 6 kilos before. Tapos ngayon nag-gain na ako ulit. So, from 41 talaga bumagsak yung weight ko. And now, I'm gaining back. So, road to 50. 48 kilos ko ngayon. Sana hindi ako mag-lose weight pa. See, it's very simple. And my bomb. Super cute. And this hair look, guys. Gusto kong i-achieve yung parang Julia Barreto hairstyle. Ayun yung super uso ngayon na parang dinilaan ng baka yung ulo nila. Pero pag ako ang gumagawa, para akong katulong sa bahay. Ewan ko kung bakit. But I'll try to. Wala akong... See? Also, thanks to Cetaphil for clearing my acne marks. Try natin i-achieve yung hair, yung look ni Julia Barreto. Let's just try it since wala tayong ginagawa. Let's have fun instead of overthinking a lot. Ngayon, meron tayong this I got it from Temu. Hair glue. Kailangan mo siyang iganon para hindi lumabas yung mga hair lalo. Ay, yung mga baby hairs. And para proper lang siya tignan. Hindi siya messy. Pag yung mga Aussie girls ang gumagawa na ito, super ganda. As in, kahit sobrang lakas ng hangin dito sa Melbourne. Kasi sobrang lakas ng hangin kasi we're close by the ocean. And then, konting hairbrush. O, diba? Parang akong lolo gumagano. Gusto kong magpa eyelash extension. But it's so expensive here. I can't afford it pa. Kasi I'm only a student. And let's put on our watch. Thank you to my Joawa who gave this. That I almost lost it. Well, I lost it, but then I found it again. It found me again. See, it's so cute. Very simple. And let's try to put some hairpins sa baba para hindi siya bumagsak. Tignan. Like a support. Well, there's a little bit of pagsisisi kasi I cut my hair very short. I don't know what I was thinking, but I was having a difficult time before, and every time I feel like having a hard time, I'd like to cut my hair short to have a change in my life. So yeah, it's very simple of me. Okay, we'll see you outside.